Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Respectable sir and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. My topic is discipline is important in our life. My dear friends, really discipline is very important in our life because everything is we are doing everything in our discipline. If without discipline we do anything, so that thing is wrong for us. That thing is not beneficial for us. Now we see in education, now we see in libraries how there is a very big discipline. How is their enrollment? How is there a discipline? If anybody is stacking, so librarian will warn him. Why? Because of discipline. Because he have no discipline, the librarian is warn him. If he have discipline, no one can say him any alphabet, no one say him anything. But my dear friends, if we have discipline, we will go forward. If we have discipline, so people will like us. If we have discipline, so our teachers will like us. If we have discipline, so our parents will like us, everybody will like us because we have discipline. If we have no discipline, so nobody will like us because everyone will say this is a bad, he have not any discipline, his work is not good and he is not punctual with him. If my friends, if we do work in discipline, if we do any work in discipline, so our work will be done in very low time. Our work will be done in a good way. Now we say the schools. So how many disciplines in schools? My friends, there is a lot of disciplines because in assemblies, in academies, now we see the how many disciplines in academies. Because if one person broken the rules, so other person will also follow him. If one person, if I will not break in the rules of academy, if I will follow the discipline, I will follow the rules, so other person will see me and he will also follow me. He will also follow the rules, he will also follow the discipline. He will also complete their work in a very disciplined way. But my friends, here in our cities, in our countries, there is not any discipline. But now we see the very big discipline in mosques. How people are often prayer in mosques. No one can, you cannot see anybody with attacking. No one can talk during the namaz. No one can talk during the reciting Holy Quran because the mosques have a more discipline from other things. But my friends, if we are educated, so we know how to make discipline. If we are educated, so we will know how to do this work. We will know how to make discipline, and we will know how to far from bad things. How to far from bad things because if we have education, if we have not if we are not making discipline, if we are not follow the rules, so there is no difference between we and uneducated person. If we have no discipline, if people have not they are not follow the rules, they have no difference between uneducated and educated people. Because uneducated people also they have not know how to make discipline, and educated also know how to make discipline. So what is the difference between them to both? But if we have discipline, so every people will like us. Every person will like us. If we have no discipline, if we want to talk with person, so he will go far from us. Because everybody, if we are not disciplined, so everybody will go so far from us. Because we have no discipline. If we want to make discipline, if we try to make discipline, so we should first of all we should understand. First of all, we should learn from our teachers. So we should make discipline. So these are my points. Thank you so much.